Hi everyone, my name's Juliana Cardillo. I'm completing my internship at my work site. I work at a community hospital in South Jersey. I work with the social workers and the RN case managers on the floor and help with transitions of care and discharge planning. One thing that I've really enjoyed about my field experience so far is just learning more in depth about medical social work. Because that's definitely something I am interested once I graduate. So I think it's kind of cool to not only work with my coworkers, but just kind of get a better understanding of their day-to-day job role. Um, One challenge that I have faced during my internship is definitely COVID. I feel like that's a big challenge for everybody, especially working in the hospital and trying to complete my field internship there. It's definitely challenging just considering everything is changing rapidly day to day, new rules and new policies and procedures. So that is something that I feel like it's not going to change, and I'm just gonna have to learn how to work with that through the course of my internship and employment. But one thing that I've learned about myself is that I'm just too hard on myself and I overlook and overthink everything. So that is definitely something that I'm working on at work, in my internship, also, in just regular life. So I'm looking forward to the second half of the semester and getting to, you know, learn more about medical social work, and I'm excited to start the course.